The cosmos reflects our consciousness, and everything in our lives, including our experiences and reality, is like an audition for our attention. Just as celestial bodies orbit around the sun, our thoughts, feelings, perceptions, and sensations depend entirely on the energy we invest. That which we ignore ceases to exist in our experiential realm. The challenge arises from the unconsciousness with which we often navigate this process. However, anything that transpires in our lives need not become our experience if we choose not to lend it our attention. This may sound counterintuitive, but it's a fact worth considering. When we refuse to invest our attention, events and circumstances lose their impact on our vibrational frequency. In the realm of the law of attraction, thoughts are often touted as creators of reality. However, thoughts in and of themselves are empty vessels. They simply vie for our attention. We hold the power to energize them by saying yes, or dismiss them with a no thank you. Thoughts direct the flow of our energy, determining the universe's response. Thus, the key to speaking with the universe lies in directing our energy toward thoughts that resonate with positivity and ignoring those that emanate negativity. The first step on our journey to speak to the universe is paying attention to our attention. From the moment we enter this world, the universe inquires, "What do you want?" To effectively communicate our desires to the universe, we must understand the language of energy it speaks. The universe doesn't discern languages. It reads our vibrational reactions. Any reaction we offer to the universe is seen as a, "Yes, please give me more of that." Understanding this dynamic is akin to mastering the art of selective engagement. Much like a skilled conductor directing an orchestra, we must choose which thoughts and emotions to amplify through our attention. When we elect to focus our attention on a particular aspect of our reality, we are, in essence, casting a vote for its manifestation. Amplification, on the other hand, occurs when we actively focus our attention on specific thoughts or circumstances. This sends a clear message to the universe that we are interested and open to their presence in our lives. This realization highlights the immense power we have in co-creating our reality. Our attention acts as a channel through which we communicate our preferences to the universe, shaping the composition of our lives. Moving on to the second aspect, it is important to think and speak in the present tense. The universe, in its infinite wisdom, recognizes only the now as reality. While thoughts of the past and future may arise, they are merely echoes. The universe listens intently to the present moment. When we view the universe as a manifestation of consciousness, we understand that thinking itself is a form of communication with this expansive entity. However, the universe comprehends our thoughts and feelings differently than we may initially perceive. Consider this. If we repeatedly say, "I will be successful," the universe hears, "I don't want success right now." Instead, we should feel as if we already possess what we seek. Every conceivable reality already exists, including our desires. By embodying the feeling of already achieving our desires, we align our vibrational frequency with the universe's creative forces. This is how we begin to shape our reality. The profound implication is that we must feel as though we already possess what we aim to attract. Every potential reality exists within the vast tapestry of existence, including the one we seek. By immersing ourselves in the present moment and feeling as if we've already achieved our desires, we synchronize ourselves with the universe's creative energy. Communication with the universe involves not only articulating our desires, but also embodying them in the present moment. As we continue our quest to understand how to speak to the universe, it is crucial to remember the power of our attention and the importance of aligning our thoughts and feelings with our desires. We come to the crucial stage of expanding your consciousness. This process is similar to acquiring expertise in a complex game where the rules are not always clear. Life, unlike a linear story, is a dynamic and interactive game. Your level of mastery is determined by your awareness of its multifaceted dimensions. To better understand this, consider the analogy of engaging in a poker game with experienced players. Novices can easily fall prey to their strategic maneuvers. Similarly, as you expand your consciousness and become aware of the myriad variables in the universe, you enhance your ability to navigate the complexities of life. It is akin to learning the unspoken rules of the game, enabling you to make well-informed decisions and ultimately gain greater control over your own reality. The process of expanding your consciousness involves broadening your awareness of your inner self, your thought patterns, and the universe that surrounds you. By uncovering and understanding more variables, you become better equipped to skillfully play this game of existence. Embracing this expanded awareness allows you to transition from being a passive player to an active participant, making informed choices that align with your desired reality. Our fourth step involves listening to your guidance system, which serves as your compass in the vast universe of energy. The universe does not understand human languages. It converses in the language of energy. Thoughts and words often prove unreliable as they rarely align with your true inner state. Your feelings, gut instincts, and intuitive responses serve as your guidance system. When something feels good, it resonates with your true path. Conversely, when it feels bad, it indicates a divergence from your authentic self. The guidance system relies on resonance. Follow what resonates with you, ignore what doesn't, and do not give significance to what induces negativity. The egoic mind may try to convince you that following it will lead to pleasure. However, it is crucial to distinguish between ego-driven desires and true resonance. If something feels good, trust it. If it feels bad, release it. By consistently following what feels good, you align yourself with your true path and eliminate the need for overthinking. Now, let's explore our fifth and final step, harnessing the power of repetition to comprehend the workings of the universe. Peer into the realm of your subconscious mind, which reflects the modus operandi of the universe. The law of attraction primarily draws from your subconscious, disregarding the fleeting thoughts of your conscious mind that constantly shift between various subjects. Unlike the conscious mind, the subconscious lacks the ability to reject information and impartially validates all viewpoints. It cannot differentiate between reality and imagination, often evoking emotions as if past events were happening in the present. Therefore, it is essential to stay grounded in the present and avoid dwelling on past wounds, as lingering there can attract similar experiences and perpetuate old mistakes. Furthermore, the subconscious lacks intentionality. It is merely a repository of stored data that absorbs what garners the most attention, including the sum of your social conditioning and personal experiences. Your subconscious mind doesn't automatically filter out negative thoughts, so it's up to you to take responsibility for your own mental well-being. By using the power of repetition, you can actively reprogram your subconscious beliefs. For example, if you want to become more confident, you can repeat affirmations like, "I am the most confident person in the world," until they become your mantra. However, it's important to not just say empty words, but to genuinely feel the confidence you seek. Your current state doesn't matter. Focus on what you want to become and reinforce positive affirmations until they coalesce energetically. Eventually, your subconscious will grasp this shift and start manifesting it in your experiences. As you truly feel more confident, your actions, behavior, and words will naturally reflect this newfound confidence. Remember that you are in control of your own existence, and by aligning your consciousness with positivity, you can effectively communicate with the universe and create your own reality. Thanks for watching.